When you're ready, why don't you try that on? And I'll introduce the world, the newest official member of the Avengers, Spider-Man. Yeah, give that a look.
Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I made this iron spider mask using simple material. This mask is not only for showcase and it can be absolutely wearable. First I downloaded a free Spider-Man mask template which I will leave a link in the description box. You need to open this template in the Adobe Reader software which is available for free in online. I will also leave a link to download this software. This software actually prints in the correct scale, so you want to make sure that you select the poster format and set the overlap to 0 and then set scale to 100% or larger or smaller depending on your required size, and then specify what type of paper you are using for printing. Here's what the template looks like once you print it out. First thing I had to do was trim the borders of the paper so that I could tape all the pieces together. Once I taped all the edges together, I cut everything into small pieces and then I transferred all the template pieces into cardboard. Then I just cut the cardboard pieces as per template using scissors and knife. Then we just need to fold and glue all the edges of the template pieces together using super glue. Repeat the same procedure for other leftover template pieces. Now you just want to glue all the template pieces together. In Iron Spider suit, ear portion is also covered. Further, once again I printed the top portion of the face shell and then I paste them inverted. And then I cut down back part of the mask as per the face shape. I draw the portion to be fixed for ear and I transfer them into cardboard and I glue that in the face shell. To make the mask smooth and curvy, I am using spackling paste. You will need to do multiple layers to smooth down as much as possible. This is obviously a time-taking process and you need to fix all the low spots by sanding down. Even though this process takes time, but it is absolutely worth it. Instead of using spackling paste, you can also use wood filler. Here I am using spackling paste which was prepared by myself because it is very pocket friendly and also the results are same as compared to commercial one. I have also posted a video for that. If you have not watched that yet, check down the description box. In Iron Spider suit we can notice detailed webbing line gaps. For that I am using foam sheet. First thing, I just downloaded the template of fabric over Spider-Man Homecoming mask. The only difference between the Homecoming mask and the Iron Spider mask is the Homecoming mask is entirely covered up by the fabric and Iron Spider mask does not get covered up by fabric, but the design looks similar in both the masks. Big thanks to Brain for this template. I printed this template in the exact same way as I printed the facial template, but the only difference is I just scaled this to 110% scale because this mask was designed to fit over a bad head, but since we are going to use this over a facial. After this I just cut down the template into pieces as per the webbing lines and I transfer this into craft foam and I just pasted the foam pieces on the facial. I just paste each pieces with a small strip of gap with all other pieces around it so that detailed webbing lines will be clearly visible. Make sure that all the gaps are equally and clearly visible because this step is very important for this mask. After all the pieces of foam sheet are pasted to the correct position, it's time to paint this. Here I am using Mars Red spray paint. You can also use any other shades of red that look similar to Iron Spider. At least give 2 coats of spray paint and let it dry. After this, I found template for lens frame for homecoming mask, which was made by Science Craft. This template is totally straightforward and easy to make. Big thanks for him for this template. First, I roughly cut the lens frame and all the small pieces, and I transferred them into chart paper and pasted all the small pieces on the lens frame as per the number given in the template. By doing this, we will get some fine details in this lens frame. Like the same way, I also made the other lens frame, which is mirror version of the first one. Then I painted both the lens frame with the black paint. Now for the inner portion of eyes, I found white canvas which is used for sewing. Main reason why I am using this is absolutely visible if we use this for lenses. So I cut that on the shape of lenses and I pasted a same shape of thin plastic sheet so that it will give glossy look. Then I glue them together using hot glue. You might have noticed in Iron Spider mask the eyes are glowing in blue color. For that I just used LED strip. I covered the LED strip with thin blue plastic sheet so that it will give a blue light, otherwise you can also use blue LED strip. I glue the LED strip right above the eyes inside of the mask using hot glue. Then I just connected them to the adapter. You can also use battery to glow the light. Let's see the final result. If you enjoyed this video, you will probably like my previous video as well, which was a DIY Thor hammer using cardboard. If you want to buy this product, DM me on Instagram. I have mentioned my Instagram ID in description box below. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in another video. Bye.